These are my work clothes and I don't need it anymore. Why? Because I quit my job. Hello, welcome to my channel. So this is my wardrobe and today we have to declutter my wardrobe. So I thought why not do a decluttering plus a story time video, which is exactly what we're going to do today. So we're going to sit down, we're going to declutter our wardrobe and we're going to talk a lot today. So come with me and let's get started. I've been working in a corporate setup for about 2 years now, and I very recently quit my job. So after that, I have not really had the time to sit down and declutter my wardrobe and my space. I felt like it was very important for me to do it today so that we can declutter and organize our entire space. Currently, we are doing it in 3 piles. One will be the clothes that I will be requiring, one will be the donation pile, and the other will be an alteration pile. Whatever clothes might fit, might have gotten a little looser or tighter, we're going to move that to the alteration pile. So yeah, let's get started and let's keep talking on the way. So in terms of my role, it was a work from home. It was actually a hybrid role. So whenever I wanted, I could take a work from home. Ideally, it was a 6-day work week. So it would be like a 3-day office, 3-day work from home kind of a setup. So work-wise, everything was good. Everything was going well. There was a lot of learning as well. I was working in a startup. So definitely that whole thing was going really well. But somehow after like about one and a half year, I started feeling like I was not able to contribute much to the role, and I felt like I had another calling, but it was sort of not working out. Like sometimes, even if you are happy with things, you know that there's this something that's missing. Even if you're not able to pinpoint to what exactly that is, it's just a feeling that lingers on. Every day I used to go to work and I used to feel like, why am I doing this? What am I doing? Am I doing enough? Is this what I'm meant to do? And it sort of felt very incomplete to me, which is why I thought I'll put papers. And I was actually not looking for another job. I did not interview for other roles. So I just quit my job, and right now I'm actually working on something very interesting, which I will also be talking about. It's a small startup that I am working on. If I was at home, ideally my mom would have been doing all of this. She's the one who would manage my wardrobe. She's the one who would clean it out. But I am staying in a new city all alone. It sort of gives me that growing up vibes that you have to manage your own wardrobe now, you have to declutter on your own now, you have to plan your own things now. And I think that's a huge part of growing up. I finally know that, okay, if I'm not going to wash my clothes, there's no one coming to wash my clothes anymore. So yeah, that sort of hits a little when you start off initially, but I think you get used to it and you start liking the silence. That silence when you come back home and there's nobody to talk to. Initially, it feels very weird. It feels like, what is happening? Because at home, as soon as I reach home, I'm going to go tell my mom everything that happened. This is what happened. This is what my manager said. This is what my teammates said, and blah, 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 blah. I would not shut up. But here, it feels like I can't do that anymore because I don't want my mom to sit and worry about what's happening. So we talk, but obviously, a part of growing up is managing your emotions on your own. So we are learning that too now. For me personally, I felt like I reached a point where I was completely burnt out. I was not happy with what I was doing. I constantly felt drained out emotionally, mentally, physically. And after a point, I just felt like it had to stop. So that's why I quit. But unless you have a reason to quit, unless you are not able to take on the job for longer, or unless you have a strong backing, maybe an emergency fund, a support system, something to back you up, I would not suggest taking this decision, especially in today's job market where we know it's so difficult to get another job. I also feel that girls should always have a source of income, because if girls are not earning, you always have to ask a male family member, and they tend to think that they can start making decisions for you, which is something that I don't agree with personally. So even if you're not working, maybe look for freelance roles, look for tutoring roles. Just keep doing something so that you will have your own money. Even if you're not contributing to the household income as such, you should definitely have some amount of money so that you don't have to go ask for anything to anyone. Like, at least have that minimum amount of money with you at all times, or get that minimum amount of money so that you are more fulfilled and self-sufficient in a way. So that's very important, especially for girls, is what I feel. And yeah, what is next, I am not sure, because I'm just going with the flow. I have just quit. So right now I am in the figuring out stage. I am figuring out life. I am planning for the next steps in my life, which is a huge thing for me. And I hope you guys are there with me throughout this journey so that you guys can support me and see me grow. Hopefully everything goes well. If not, we'll figure it out as always. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We are doing a little bit of an alteration right now. So this dress is actually a very pretty anarkali dress, but I don't like the sleeves. So initially when this dress came, it was sleeveless, but my mom would never let me wear anything sleeveless. But now that I'm staying on my own, who cares? So I'm just going to take these sleeves off from this dress and make it sleeveless again. It took me 1 hour, but The wardrobe is all neat and arranged now, so I'm glad about that. And we've come to the end of the video. I would like to leave you guys with one piece of boring gyan, and that is, if you have a feeling that something is not working out, if you have a feeling that you want to try something else, something completely different, something crazy, please go ahead and do that. There might be times where we feel like, okay, this might be a bad idea, or nobody's supporting us, everybody thinks we are crazy to quit our job, but it's actually not that crazy, because at the end of the day, you guys know what your EMIs are, you know what your responsibilities are, you know what your dreams are. So who better to judge whether you should do this or not other than yourself? When I decided to quit, I did not consult with my parents, I did not consult with anybody. I just knew that I had to do it, and I did it. And I do not regret doing it, because I know that what I did was for good. Right now, I am exploring so many new things which I would have never gotten to explore if I would have never quit my job. So if you really have a belief that you can do it, please go ahead and try, because everything in life is figure outable. You can definitely figure something out, but please don't have this regret that I wish I would have tried it. So yeah, my gyan is over now. Hopefully I'll see you very, very soon. Till then, please comment down below on this video on what you would like to see next. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.